3 must-know tips for using Xhorse BMW G Series BDC2 adapter safely. Hey everyone, welcome back to Baabji Motors, your trusted hub for everything automobile diagnostics and programming. Before we begin, here's a quick but important note. This video is strictly for educational and informational purposes. Everything I'm about to share is designed to help technicians, learners, and enthusiasts understand diagnostic tools and adapters better. We follow fair use guidelines. No copyrighted content is used commercially here, and all trademarks belong to their rightful owners. Always remember, when you're working on vehicles, it's vital to follow manufacturer instructions and local laws to stay safe and compliant. Now let's dive in, but before that, I've got a question for you. Did you know that a single misplaced pin connection while working on a BMW BDC module can actually corrupt the EEPROM and render the module unusable? That's a costly mistake that many technicians learn the hard way. What do you think? Have you ever heard of someone facing this kind of issue? Drop your answers in the comments, because I'd love to know if this has happened in your circle. Also, here's a small but heartfelt request. Most of you watch our videos without subscribing. It's a little like tuning up a car, but forgetting to tighten the bolts. Something important is missing. So let's fix that right now. Hit the subscribe button, ring the bell for instant updates, and stay till the end, because I've got something really helpful lined up for you. And here's today's challenge. Let's aim for 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments within the first 24 hours. If you find this video useful, show some love by smashing that like button, sharing your thoughts below, and if you'd like to support Baabji Motors even more, consider using the Super Thanks feature. Every bit of support helps us bring you more quality content. All right, let's get to the core topic. Quick tips to use the Xhorse BMW G Series BDC2 adapter. This adapter is a powerful tool for anyone working with BMW G Series vehicles, especially when paired with devices like VVDI, Key Tool plus PAD, VVDI2, or the advanced MIDI version. It's designed to add new keys on the bench, making it a must-have for locksmiths, programmers, and advanced technicians. But as with any sensitive piece of equipment, using it the wrong way can cause damage or miscommunication with the module. So, here are 3 essential tips that will save you time, stress, and possibly money. Tip number 1. Use an anti-static wristband. This might sound like a small detail, but it's actually one of the most important precautions. The BDC module is highly sensitive to static electricity. A single discharge of static from your body can fry delicate circuits inside the module, leaving you with a dead component before you even start working. By grounding yourself with an anti-static wristband, you ensure that no sudden electrical surge passes into the BDC while handling or connecting it. This small investment in safety equipment can prevent hours of frustration and costly replacements. Tip number 2. Double-check pin alignment. This is where many technicians slip up. The BDC2 adapter relies on precise pin contact to communicate with the module. Always make sure the pins align perfectly with the positioning points. One pin out of place, and you could either get incorrect readings or, worse, short out neighboring connections. Pay special attention to the EEPROM pin 2 pin. It's extremely important that this pin makes solid contact with the probe without touching adjacent pins. Misalignment here can lead to corrupt data, failed programming attempts, or even irreversible module damage. Taking an extra minute to verify alignment before powering on is a habit every professional should build. Tip number 3. Provide stable 12V power. Power supply is the lifeline of any diagnostic or programming process. With a BDC2 adapter, using a stable 12V source is non-negotiable. If your power source is weak, unstable, or delivering the wrong voltage, you'll see symptoms immediately. For example, the adapter light may flicker, dim, or fail to turn on at all. More dangerously, applying voltage that's too high can cause permanent damage to both the adapter and the BDC module. Always check your power source before connecting. Using a reliable bench power supply with built-in protections is the safest option. Remember, stable voltage means stable communication. Now that you know these 3 critical tips, You can confidently work with the Xhorse BMW G Series BDC2 adapter without the fear of accidental damage. To recap, always wear an anti-static wristband, carefully align your pins, especially the EEPROM pin 2, and ensure you're feeding the adapter with a steady 12V supply. These may sound like simple steps, but they form the backbone of safe, reliable programming. And here's something I really appreciate. Huge thanks to all my loyal viewers and subscribers. Your consistent support is the fuel that keeps Baabji Motors running strong. For those who haven't subscribed yet, please take a moment now. It's quick, it's free, and it makes a world of difference. So, what's the answer to the question I asked at the beginning? Yes, it's true. Misplacing just one pin, especially on the EEPROM line, can indeed corrupt the module and sometimes even make it unusable. Personally, I believe this is where technicians need to slow down and double-check their work. It's always better to be safe than sorry. But I'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you seen or experienced this issue? Share your stories in the comments, because real-life experiences are what make this community so valuable. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip for you. Whenever you're working with sensitive modules like BMW's BDC, always keep a backup of the EEPROM and coding data before you attempt anything new. Having that backup can be a lifesaver if something goes wrong, because it allows you to restore the module instead of replacing it entirely. Alright, that's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, and share. We're aiming for 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments, and with your support, we can absolutely make it happen. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for updates so you don't miss future tutorials. And if you'd like to give Baabji Motors an extra boost, consider dropping a super thanks. It helps us grow and continue creating in-depth content for you. Thanks so much for watching till the end. Stay safe, happy diagnosing, and I'll see you in the next video.